दादा आज हियरिंग आशिल्ले कितें कितें आर्ग्युमेंट
Today they have produced that original copy of complaint. On the last occasion, what has happened? They said they will be filing a application for supplement secondary evidence. But now today suddenly they produced the copy of the complaint, the original complaint. So that's why the chief continued. Now the only one issue was there. The accused number 3 was not yet identified. So accused number 3 and accused numbers one more accused is yet to be identified. So that's why it was adjourned today. So now it is fixed on 6th
of December.
6th of December for further chief and cross.
Tony Rodriguez identified the
I think so. Accused number 3.
Accused number 2 and accused number 3 identified.
Accused number 3.
Accused number 1 identified.
No, he was identified long back.
So accused number 3 and 2 and
No, actually 2 and 20 I guess.
20.
20. One more accused has to be identified. So now it will go on. On 6th, the cross will start. Because they have produced now the original copy of the complaint.
ओके